Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Ozella. So today, you guys, I'm going to be doing a simple Valentine's Day look, real quick and easy look. Well, I don't know if it's real quick, but it's real simple. It's real simple to do. You know, it's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to you all. Hope you have a very special someone to celebrate it with. So, you know, if you don't, it's okay. It's cool. You know, celebrate yourself. All right, but jumping right into the tutorial, I already prepped my eyes with this Tarte concealer, so I'm going to be going into the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette, and the first color I'm going to be using is the shade FUCK, and I'm going to apply that in my crease. Right, next, jumping into the James Charles palette, I'm going to be taking this bright pink shade and applying that in my crease as well. I don't know the name of the shade because I lost the thing that has the names on it. So the names that I'm using in the palette, well, the shades that I'm using in the palette will be listed in the description box below, okay? Alright, so the next shade that I'm using, it is this beautiful like purple shade, magenta, and I'm going to apply that all on my lid. Alright, so I am applying glitter to the lid, so I'm going to take my NYX glitter glue and apply that all over my lid. And the glitter that I'm using is from Golden Paradise. It's from their Valentine's Day collection glitter that they dropped. I'm not sure if it's still up or if they still have any more, but this one has like hearts in it and like little pink confetti. It's really, really cute. So I'm applying that all on my lid. Then I'm going to move on to my face. So I am going to be priming my face using the Maybelline Master Prime by Face Studio. And for foundation, I am going to be dipping into my Fenty Beauty foundation. This is the Pro Filter one, and I'm using the shade 330. For concealer today, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I haven't used it in a minute, so I thought I would pull it out and use it again. And I am using the shade Tan Sand. Okay guys, so I wanted to share this little tip with you that, you know, it's this little trick that I've been doing. So lately, like when I've been doing my concealer and contouring and everything like that, like I've been creasing really bad up underneath my eyes before I set. So to prevent that from creasing really, really badly, what I do is after I blend in my concealer, I'll go ahead and set underneath my eyes, and then I'll go in and like do my cream contour and then set the rest of my face, so that way like I won't have any creasing underneath my eyes, because I noticed that was like a big problem. So just wanted to share that with you guys, you know, just in case if you have the same issue, you know, you could try it out for yourself, see if it works. So okay, so moving on to finish off the rest of the eye, I am taking this LA Girl pink neon lip liner, and I'm putting it in my waterline, and then I'm going to go back in with those 3 shades that I used to apply in my crease and on the eyelid to apply it underneath my eye. And I will be applying mascara, and the mascara that I use is the Bad Girl Bang mascara by Benefit, my mascara that I've been using in like every single video. Okay, so when I was doing this look, you know, I decided that I was going to be like a little bit extra and try to apply like diamonds on my like bottom lashes, and it did work out. I thought it was pretty cute, but you know, they ended up falling off of my eyes before I could finish the video, so I was like, you know what, it is what it is. But I thought it was cute. It's a bit extra, but You guys let me know what you thought about it in the comments. Do you like it without the rhinestone, without the diamonds, or did you like it better with the diamonds? So let me know in the comment section. Right, and for highlight, I use the Maybelline Master Holographic Highlighter to highlight my inner corner and also to, you know, highlight my cheeks and everything. When I was highlighting my cheeks, it wasn't really doing me too much justice, I felt like, so I went in with my Anastasia and Mercier highlighter and I applied that, you know, over this one. Alright you guys, and this is the final look. So, you know, leave me comments, let me know what you think about the look. It was real simple. It's something, you know, a little cute to do for Valentine's Day or just to have fun or whatever you want to do. So yeah, let me know what you thought. Give me a big thumbs up if you did like the video. Subscribe to my channel if you guys have not subscribed to my channel already. And until next time you guys, bye bye.